everyone, Lena Skvagerson here. A warm welcome to this Learn, Make, Create episode with Annie's Creative Studio. In today's tutorial, I'm here to show you all the details and stitches that you need to know about to be able to make my Dartmoor Embossed Boots. I'm excited to show you these today, not only since I'm a huge fan of slippers, but also since I think the emboss technique is both so pretty and also not hard once you know how to do it. If you're a member, you can go ahead and download the slipper pattern now, and if you're not a member yet, just sign up and then you can start watching and download our patterns for free today. But now, let's grab our hooks and yarn and let's get started.